Why did you ban our balot? Hey, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful angel. Hey, beautiful, beautiful balot challenge. Yes, balot challenge. Why did? Can you please tell Bibirot there that she's going if she's going to eat balot? I think she's not eating balot. Hmm. Are you sponsored by that Chinese restaurant? No, oy. I'm just put. Uh, I'm just put here since my background is my background is not beautiful. That's why I put this one. I screenshot this one because I have a plan to go here in this restaurant next month. My birthday is coming, and I have a plan to go here since the if you are the birthday girl, if you are the birthday celebrant, you are free to go here. Oh, it's very nice, diba? May nag-hide sa akin sa channel ni Rachel, dili ko mag-comment. Rachel? Who is Rachel? Rachel? I don't want balot. I want to eat some tongyang. What is tongyang? I didn't try that one, Glen M. Tongyang. Is that nice? Ah, Rachel. Why? Do you have... Wait, Drixie, do you have what happened? Do you have... Are you away-away, my sister? Huh? Looking at your beauty will make your ugly background fade away. Ah, that's sweet. Thank you so much. Sundan mo lang ang aking kamay. Tongyang is your free Chinese for birthday girl. Oh! Darade. Uy, ang bubo no. Clarissa is bubo. Yeah, if you are a birthday celebrant, you're going here. But there's a twist, guys. You have to have a kauban. You're going to get another friend like that, 4 friend. And if you're going there, you are the one who free, but the 4 friend you're not. I don't know, that food look pretty tasty back there. Oh yes, Tommy. Wait, there's a lot. Wait, you know, Tommy, it's very nice. There's a lot of food ba. It's very tasty if you're going here. May isang moderator na galit sa akin. Who? Kinsa Dex like akong charot na. People are not concerned about your beautiful background. They prefer the beautiful foreground. Wow. Is that SM? Yes, Riptar in the SM. I had to plan to bring Bibiro, me, and my other pamangkin or my sister like that. But yeah. But but right now I didn't go there because I don't have a I don't have work, and I don't have salary na in YouTube. Is that the green screen, or it is really behind you? Ah, green screen. What is that?
Sabaw.
Wow.
Tamis kayo nagsabaw. Ano?
Eat guys, eat. Now my sister Rochelle is bring me food, guys. Thank you so much to my sister.